If you rely on tips or overtime for your income, this change could be huge for you. This new law is going to help you deduct taxable tip income and your overtime pay from your tax income. Tax years 2025 to 2028. Employees and self-employed are going to be able to take deduction on their tips and overtime payments during the tax season as a deduction before calculating your federal income on your taxes. These deductions will only apply if you do not itemize. So basically, we're going to cut out the itemizing. So now, remember, I told you had your standard deduction that has increased. And then if you also get paid overtime and the tips, then you can reduce that. And so you're reducing your income even more. Guys, this is a real cash preservation for people who rely on their tips or rely on their overtime for their income. So basically, you're going to be lowering your taxes without changing your withholdings, without itemizing, without doing anything additional. You're just making sure that you write off the things that you need to write off. You're not being charged all the taxes on the overtime and your tips. And this is going to basically leave more money in your pocket and less money going to taxes. So what you need to do right now is track all of your tips very carefully for 2025. Make sure that you report them accurately to your employer, and make sure that you talk to your tax professional and make sure that they're applying all of these deductions to your tips and to your overtime. Because remember, some of the apps have not been updated to put all of these new deductions in there. So you want to make sure that you're getting all the deductions, and they might have to put those in manually. Make sure that you watch this video right here to know all of the different deductions that you can take with the One Big Beautiful Bill Act. And if you have any questions or concerns, make sure you leave those down in the comments. I will respond. Thanks for joining me. Have a great one. Bye.